Hello, this is about the Zhiyun Smooth for Gimbal for smartphone. And this video is about the object tracking issue that I've encountered. And I'm using an iPhone XS Max running the ZY app for this experiment. As you can see over here, ZY Play. Sorry for the reflection. Now I'm going to track this AirPod 2, okay, with a silicone case. Looks really cute, and that's what I'm going to try to track. Currently it's on the background, plain background, a bunch of carpet fur, okay, and then a wall that is white color, and then there is some natural noise from the background, and see how well it behaves. Okay, now let's check it out. First, we highlight the object tracking over here by clicking the icon, and then do a highlight of the region of interest. So it seems like once it's highlighted, the gimbal starts to rotate, as you can see here. Okay. All right. Without moving the gimbal, I'm just moving my hand holding the AirPod, and then it's able to keep track of it. The gimbal automatically moves, but very slowly. Let's say I put it on the ground, and then it lost track of it. What happened if I need to reposition it and do something? Okay, currently it's unable to do it correctly. All right. See, I have this one, and then it just doesn't work. See, the gimbal. Okay, now it keeps track of it again, and I slowly put it down. All right, so this is like not practical yet. The tracking, it's not robust. It doesn't really work well. But as you can see, the gimbal automatically keeps track, and then once I move to natural background, natural noisy background, let's move it over here. Okay. And then slowly introduce noise, as over here. Okay. And you can see lost track again. See that? So what happened is, usually I will disable the trackers and then try to reposition it, but then it goes back to the default. Now let's see if I do the trigger, whoops, the rear trigger over here, the top trigger, okay, to lock it down. That's kind of like really cumbersome. And then refocus on this. And then this time, I am going to highlight this section. Or highlight it again. Okay. Yeah. And then now I just go crazy. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Disabling it. Let's try one more time. All right. Okay. And then track it. Bring it closer. Yep, plain background, it's fine. Once again, noisy background, unable to produce the contrast. So I think there's many ways to do it, okay? iPhone 10 has a depth sensor, double camera, so maybe that will help to able to get a better stereo image to keep track of the object. Another thing is use machine learning to recognize a blob. See, it's so difficult. Now I lost track. Okay, once it lost track, let's say it's lost track, this gimbal will automatically try to look for something and then unable to find it. Once it finds it, okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay, here. Oh my gosh. This thing just doesn't work. I'm trying my best, man. Oh, okay, I gotta lock back to the plain background. Slowly put it down on the floor. Okay, now it works again. So I would say that the object tracking, it works sometimes, but sometimes it will overshoot. The motor might overshoot, and I'm trying to get a video to overshoot. And it depends on which section you crop it. Sometimes the motor is not stable and then it's just moving around left or right. But it seems like I was able to get a okay tracking right now. Although it's not that great. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you. Okay, noisy background. AirPod 2. When it's trying to look for it, the gimbal keeps rotating around. So the object tracking, it's a hit or miss, actually. It's a hit or miss. The successful rate, I would say, is like 40%. Especially at noisy background, it's gone, man. Man, it's all crazy. Come on, come on. Now I can track it. Oh my gosh. Here, yes. There we go. Now we are able to keep track. It seems like the successful rate is quite low. One was with like these noisy background. And then I think the app needs a lot of improvement in terms of object tracking algorithm. It needs a really plain background. Not just high contrast. But see, once I'm in a noisy background, it's kind of fail. See? Unable to keep track. Here. With a hand. Now, see the gimbal just keep searching, looking around, fighting for it. And then, oh my gosh. Here, come on. Right over here. Hello. Here. Oh. Now it doesn't even recognize the rear because it doesn't have the cat face. That's why I have the cat face. It's able to keep track better. Without the cat face, think about that. The object face. Oh! Hit or miss. Hit or miss, man. Alright.